Once upon a time, in a beautiful jungle, there were three good friends: Moses, the lion cub, Becky, the elephant calf, and Akwasi, the monkey. They lived in a cozy treehouse and had many adventures together. The three friends loved playing games together. They would run and laugh, chasing each other around the jungle. They were always full of joy and laughter. As they went out to play outside, the sky opened up and it started to rain. As the rain poured down, the friends hurried back to their cozy treehouse. They shook off the water and huddled together, safe and dry. The three friends knew that no matter what happened, they always had each other. They understood the value of friendship and how it made their lives brighter and happier. And so Moses, Becky, and Akwasi drifted off to sleep, knowing that they were the best of friends and that their adventures would continue tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting stories. Until we meet again next time, take care and bye.